Hi everyone, thought today I'd take Mikey out on a little bit of an adventure. There's a nature trail at the back of our local Asda's, so I thought we'd get our bikes out and go and exploring. It runs along the side of the train tracks, so that'd be an adventure for me. Looking forward to that. But now I've been trying to think of different places to take him, so I want to give that a try. So join me for our little adventure later on. Bye for now.
There's Kim.
Hello. He's lost the end of his selfie stick, silly sod. So where did it bounce?
Well, it bounced. I think it fell off around here. But check out that machinery behind us. Oh, I wouldn't mind getting my mitts on that. Oh, that and an arc welder. But another thing, Kim won't allow me to have a welder or a 3D printer.
These. And I'd love to know exactly what all this equipment's actually used for. I think it's some sort of cutting machine. I could probably be wrong, but it's got me intrigued because I ain't got absolute clue what any of this is. But as you can see, it looks like some sort of cutting, but not a clue.
Just coming down the back of the railway to chill out, see the trains. Just something to do different than just sit at home. It's nice and quiet down here, so it's lovely. Back on ourselves and gone through Asda car park and gone all the way around. And we're on like this big massive hill thing, sort of thing that separates Breydon from inland, flood bank thing. So hopefully now we're going to have a look at the possibly the old disused part of the railway. So hey ho, hey.
Yarmouth train coming in.
Rode up to this like weird little part. It's fenced off. I'll just show you it. I just walk along here, and just picture. You can just see that. You go through one gate there, and then you got another gate up there. So it's like a central park sort of thing. But anyway, you got some wicked. What would you call them? Old-fashioned crossings for the train, which is pretty cool really when you come to think about it, and none of the modern stuff, and some pretty horses as well. And if I'm not mistaken, the train should be coming back relatively soon.
No, it's going to take the other one. And there's the train going back away from Yarmouth.
Okay, so I'm just going to have a little walk up there actually, sod it.
Just riding along our nature trail. And this is what I can see. There's Mikey. Just being very respectful, because I know this, even though it's a domestic cow, they can still kill a human. There's Mikey just coming in. Mikey, gently. You've got to be respectful, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Just how close I am to this cow. There's nothing between me or the cow. Get it out then. I think she had a bit of a cough.
Hello! Hello, moo-moos! Oh, don't tell me that one's got his head stuck. Let's see if I can pinch in to zoom. Here we are, we'll zoom it. I hope that one hasn't got its head stuck, but there we see another nice crossing. Zoom back out. There we are. Really nice up here. Wow. And up Up there in the distance somewhere is Kim. Well, it's where udder juice is made. Udder juice! Udder juice in the fields. Juice in its natural environment. Beautiful specimen. And I'm finally here at one of the gates and a cow. Hello, gorgeous. So let's have a proper look at these gates. Minding the cow pats, of course, because there's a big one there. You certainly know if you walk in one of them. Oh wow. So that's where we are. A cow having a pee. Zoom in for more detail. Oh, reminds me of the olden days. Of course the gate's locked and everything, but there is a pedestrian area. Oh wow. More cows over there. So you know what, sod it, I've never done this before. Kim's up there so she can't tell me off. So stop, look, listen. Okay, I've stopped, looked, listen. Oh wow. I'm actually on the tracks looking at the wife. Somewhere up there. Sorry about the camera quality. I'm just zooming in and zooming out. I'm doing it on my phone, you see. Penalty for not closing gate. Ooh, £1,000. I haven't got that much money to waste. So let's go through this one and have a look. Like this side. Okay. Oh yeah. Another sign. And we're in another field in the middle of nowhere, but with some horses. And another gate over there. That is proper cool. Proper cool. Okay, sorry about that. Dandelion seed in my mouth. I'm going to get making a move back. So let's just quickly go. No trains coming that direction. No trains coming that direction. Well, there won't be any from that direction because the last one's just gone. But wow, look at that in the middle of nowhere. Okay, oh. Okay, that gate's shut. And the cow's blocking my path. Okay, I'm going to let the cow move along because she's bigger than me. Okay, I think I'm going to move backwards actually. I think I'm just going to wait behind the fence here actually. Because that's the hill I just came down to get to here and the cow's in the way. Okay, please keep moving. Nice set of udders. Some udder juice, and that's where your breakfast milk comes from. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm just going to quickly get to making a move. Okay, you stay there. You stay there. Watch out for the big poops. Watch out for the poops. And there's Kimbo.
At the trains there again. We're just waiting for a train to turn up. There should be one, well, due to leave at Yarmouth at 20 past 3. It's actually 3 o'clock now, so there should be one due any time now. Bit sad, I know, but I've never done this before. So, hey Mike, do you think it'll turn up?
Yeah, it should do.
I hope so, otherwise we've just had a long wasted journey. Hopefully not. In the distance there's a new bridge just letting a boat through. This is the bird watching tower, and this is the nature trail that we take. Obviously we're going home now. And now it's a lot of fun coming along here. Well, we're back now. I'm absolutely shattered. As you can see, I've had a change of clothes because I was so hot and sticky. It was very, very warm out there. Mikey's just gone up for a shower. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, maybe a subscribe would be great for our channel too. And we'll see you next time. Bye!